When we look at our lives, we often see that we face many accidents or problems, sometimes without even realizing it. Most of time, we might make mistake or create more problems through our action during the day, and sometimes we don't even see or understand them as a problem. Like this, we create more and more problems in our life, and these things happen often, and they are a common part in our life. Even though they are very common, they can have serious consequences on our life and others around us. Because this problem seems to be very small at the beginning, and therefore many of us don't consider them and try to neglect them. But over time, these problems can grow and become a massive issue, sometimes without even realizing us. Then we fill our life with more stress, frustration, and we are not able to move forward in our life smoothly and appropriately. However, if we could recognize this problem as a problem at the beginning, we could have solved them correctly. But the problem is most of us are not able to identify or see them as the problem at the beginning, and that is why people don't consider them much. As a consequence, this very small problem become to a massive issue one day. Anyway, when we take a step back and look at the problem that we have faced, we often see that we didn't handle them in the best way. It means that we had the ability to handle them properly and find out the optimal solution. So, but we didn't do that because we couldn't see or understand them as a real problem. So this happened because of our level of consciousness at that moment. It means our consciousness is low. We don't see things clearly and we are not able to understand the things more deeply. Then we might act and react with our feelings, and this will lead to create more problems rather than finding the way to solve them. It means we are not fully aware of the bigger picture or the consequences of our action, and as a result, our choices and decisions don't help us to move forward into an exact direction. However, if you are in higher level of consciousness, we would have a better understanding of the situation. Then we are able to think more calmly, see different perspective, and make better decisions. So this will help us to avoid some of the accident and problems that we face. On the other hand, having higher level of consciousness mean having greater outlook and understanding about ourselves and the world around us. So once we deepen our understanding and outlook, we can see and understand even very small problems that we usually don't see. Then we can solve this problem without letting them go too far and creating more and more problems. That is why higher level of consciousness people move forward through their life very easily and smoothly without getting stress or frustration, because clearly they can see and understand and they can respond to their life situations in better way by reducing the problems and finding the right solution for them.